Are you looking for privacy window film? In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best privacy window films on the market. These films are perfect for those who are looking for a way to keep their privacy while still being able to enjoy the natural light. So, let's get started with the list. List number: Rabbit Goo Window Privacy Film. The privacy window film is very sturdy and is guaranteed to fit on all windows, even those with irregular edges. It has the ability to change opaque light leaks or frost-like reflection back into normal perception. Our window privacy film is made with a frosted glass surface, blocking most of sun rays. It helps prevent overheating and glare, while also acting as room darkening and light filtering. The opaque film gives complete privacy day and night. You will not see any shape on the other side unless it was within 1 inch of the glass. This frosted glass privacy film is designed to block light in rooms, providing a comfortable and private environment. By blocking light from outside, this window film prevents it from entering the space directly and lets the natural light coming in. It's durable and easy to install. List 2. Coava's Window Privacy Film. Coava's Window Privacy Film is a full UVA/UVB privacy film made from high-quality protective materials. This window privacy film has been tailored for your home and office windows, letting you enjoy its rich colors and soft texture. The privacy window film provides great protection from unwanted observation at a small price. Its 97% privacy level makes sure that no one can see into your space without your consent. The privacy film is a clear vinyl film that creates a privacy barrier on windows. This flexible, easy-to-apply product is designed to be safe and durable, with no sticky residue left behind. This film is made of high-grade Japanese PET material, with UV block efficiency of 99%, keeping you protected from harmful solar rays both day and night. Coava's privacy film is a highly effective window film that helps to keep unwanted eyes away from your private indoor space. It creates privacy without obscuring light at a small price, and its 98% transparency allows the sun to shine through, creating shade on hot summer days. List number: ZDZB-LX Window Privacy Film. The ZDZB-LX Window Privacy Film is a clear film with frosted finish that's custom cut by the manufacturer to fit your window size and shape. This vision-enhancing privacy film can be used on glass, plastic, and metal windows to block unwanted prying eyes at a 4-inch distance. The product features a no-glue design that applies easily and resists fading over time. This top privacy window film is made of a special light-blocking material that blocks 99% of UV light and 99% of infrared light. Use the ZDZB-LX window film to reduce the amount of heat and glare coming through your windows, helping you save energy and making your home safer. The frosted window film with top privacy level can provide 24H privacy to block unwanted prying eyes from outside and no one can see in. At a 4-inch distance, the effective privacy can up to 95% without losing any natural light. List number: Chromopolis Window Film. Chromopolis Window Film is a semi-privacy protection, blurs unwanted views. Unique patterns make your window more elegant, and static cling to the surface without glue for extra safety and convenience. Simply peel off the backing film and stick it onto your clean window surface. It can be removed easily without leaving any residue that would hinder the aesthetics of your home. Environmental vinyl film is soft, yet durable. Static and no-glue glass film, be torn off, will not damage your window. This frosted privacy window film will protect your windows from irritation and views from unwanted people. You can choose any colors or prints for this window film. You can easily remove and reapply the window film for several times. That means you don't need to worry about how long it takes to install the product. List number 5. Vilmo Window Privacy Film. At Vilmo Window Films, we understand that everyone has different needs and desires for their windows. Every window is unique, so we work carefully with you to create a custom solution that fits your home. Our window privacy films are transparent and durable, yet still allow enough light in for well-being. This privacy window film creates top-level opaque privacy and blocks inside and outside views while still allowing natural sunlight in. At a distance of 4 inches from the frosted window film, privacy level 95% effectively lowers your energy bill by keeping excess heat out, blocks 96% of UV rays, and protects the furniture from aging and fading. It creates top-level opaque privacy and blocks inside and outside views while still allowing natural sunlight in.